Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The outline property is used to add extra emphasis to any element on your HTML page. It is drawn outside the border of your element. It is important to note that the outline property does not affect the total size of your element. It is not included when calculating the dimensions of the element you want to affect. You need to define the style of an outline using the outline-style property. The values for this property are solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, dotted, dashed, or none. You can also control the width of your outline using the outline width property. The values for outline width can be set using thin, medium, thick, or using pixels, points, centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, x height, or em. The color of your outline can be controlled using the outline-color property. You can set the values for this property using either the color name or a hexadecimal value. Our on-screen example shows, again, paragraph, class 1, all the same margin, padding, and border styling as the last lesson. And we've added the outline style of double, the outline width of 5 pixels, the outline color set to red, which will cause your web browser to display a double red line outside the border you've already ascribed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.